the weather outside is weather. Anyone usually feel like the weather, if the weather is miserable and grey, they usually feel miserable and grey. Because as you can see from my lighting, it's just grey. So this is a Beta Crop Avocado Poreless Primer. I really like it. I've been using it the past couple of days, and I initially was thinking that it was going to have, you know, that silky silicone feel because it's a pore minimizing primer. Usually primers are like that, you know, but it's actually like a, and a bit more on. It's like a gel. Like the texture is like a gel, and it's just really nice and hydrating. So confused much? So I don't really know how this is minimizing my pores. Do you know, I really do leave myself wide open for a complete slagging. This is the She Glam Balm Foundation. You see, every time I go to say balm, like lip balm, balm foundation, I nearly feel triggered. Because my mind just wants to say balm because there's an L in it for some reason. But that's how I used to pronounce it. And I used to get this one person that used to comment all the time on my YouTube videos. Anytime I said balm, they got really triggered. So like, they used to just leave me shit comments all the time about, you know, pronounce it fucking correctly, you stupid bitch. Like, I just get so triggered because this person was nearly violent towards me because of how I pronounced it. YSL All Hours Concealer? Concealer? Was it Laura Lee that used to say it like that? Concealer. And I'm going to use a darker shade to cream bronze, so this shade is DW4. Please excuse my ears. I haven't got any foundation on my ears. Do you know what? Recently, I don't know what it is. It's such a strange thing. I've stopped putting foundation on my ears because do you know what it is? I hate it. You see, having like foundation dirty ears and having like foundation all caked in around your earrings. Ugh. So I was actually going to be doing continuing on, sorry, with my Zodiac series today, but I just couldn't be bothered, to be honest. So the next one I'm going to do is Libra, but I'm kind of wanting to ask opinions maybe. I have a fair idea on what I'm wanting to do with Libra, okay, but I don't know whether to do it just simple and soft or kind of have it more, oh, how would I say this? How would I say this without kind of giving it away what I'm doing? Not that it's like a big secret or anything, but I've obviously looked at traits from Libra, just things. Honest to God, I don't even know why I'm doing this series. I know nothing about zodiac signs, horoscope, my God. But basically I've looked at the ins and outs of Libra to obviously get some inspo behind the makeup look that I'm going to do and the vibe of it and everything. So I kind of have two ways basically of how I can go with it. So as I say, keeping it nice and simple and soft and quite pretty and dainty, or I can kind of keep it nice and soft but keep it but doing something graphic on the eyes. I'm going to add a wee bit more concealer. This is the HNB SF0 and just a wee bit just right in the inner corner. So yeah, let me know, something soft and simple or soft yet simple but graphic. We sent a PR package from Nude Sticks, and these are the Nudies Matte Oliver Face Blush colour. This shade, that's nice, but it's just a wee bit boring. It's just one of those shades that like every brand has that colour, you know what I mean? It's still pretty though. Oh, it has a wee brush at the end. That's cute. Oh, I like that. I don't know how that would, maybe not. Oh, stop, hold on. What the fuck? Okay, so Naughty and Spice is a blush colour. Sunkissed Cool is a bronze colour. That's a bronzer? Who's using that as a bronzer? Show yourself! Make yourself known! I'm gonna use it as blush though. Oh. Oh no, that's nice. It is a beautiful blush colour though. It looks quite toasted actually on the cheeks, which is quite nice. So this is Cherry Blossom Cake from Huda, the pink powder. Adding some glow. This is the MAC Whisper of Guilt. I don't think they do this highlighter anymore. Or can I just never find it? Because anytime I go to link this, I always just link a random MAC highlight. I can never find this one. I don't know why. This is a matte blush, so that's why I went a wee bit hang with my highlight. So this is the Patrick Ta. She's passionate. She's passionate? Yeah, I read that right. Blush. This eye makeup look. Have I done something like this before? I probably have done something very similar to this, but this is so easy, but it's so nice. I just wanted to do something really nice and cool toned, but kind of with a like a taupey shade and undertone nearly, even though I do think it comes off more grey on the eyes. But anyhow, where's the, oh there it is. So I'm going in with the Nude Sticks. This is a Magnetic Luminous Eye Colour. It's in the shade Twilight. Just putting this all over the lid to act as my base. Like, you see the way that's coming off more grey? It's definitely coming off more grey in person for definite. There we go. So, just that one shade just washed all over the lid up to the crease, and then just taking a fluffy brush just to do a wee bit of blending at the crease. I think I'm actually running out of this stuff. This is the Maybe Mitchell Brownie Points. Yeah, Brownie Points eyeliner. A really thin line, keeping it quite tight to the lash line. And then just stopping at the outer corner. I'm not going to wing it out or anything. And also bringing it into the inner corner as well. Because I'm going to do some inner corner eyeliner too. Trish McAvoy pencil liner. I'm just going to coat my waterline. Might as well do this side as well. While I'm at it. Oh. Oh. Oh my god, I was like, I haven't got my other eye done. What am I doing? I literally have my eyelashes glued up and everything. What am I doing? I didn't even notice I didn't have my other eye done. Ow. Yeah, so chain reaction from Colourpop. And then from NYX, this is Stockholm. The soft matte lip cream. It's got to the point where I'm scraping at this eyeliner. This is the What's Up Beauty liquid liner. This is perfect for this because of the foam tip applicator. It's really nice and pointy, like a nice flexible tip. So you guys can see. Okay everyone, so this is the completed look. I hope you enjoyed. All the products that I did use will be down below in the description box. How nice is this lip combo? I must keep that out so I remember it, because I do certain lip combos and it's just like, oh, this is so nice, and then I put the products away and then I never remember what it is I've used. But this is looking so good. So it was the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in Stockholm and Chain Reaction from Colourpop. I wonder if I put a wee bit of Cairo in the centre. This is really old. I've even took the stopper out. Just in the centre, just to lighten that a wee bit. That'll do. But how easy was this makeup look? And it's honestly so nice. It's sultry, it's a wee bit sexy with the eyeliner, loads of lashes. I have to say, I love, you see, like a cool toned eye makeup look with loads of liner and loads of lashes. I just think it's so beautiful, and the lip is complementing that beautifully as well. So as to say, I hope it's enjoyed. Thank you all so much for watching. Please do let me know about the Zodiac series thing. Keeping it nice and simple or doing something a wee bit more graphic. I'm kind of leaning towards something a wee bit more graphic because I think the majority of them are going to be just normal, simple eye makeup looks. Obviously not simple, you know what I mean? But I think it'll be different to do something quite graphic, you know? But anyway. So do let me know what you would rather, and I'll see you in my next one.